Already recording.
Okay. Just got the boxes for my album, Songs for the Fallen Mountain King. Let's see what we have here. I'm unboxing it for the first time. Oh, there's a box inside a box. 2 boxes inside a box. Been waiting for this for a long time. I know some of you have too. There it is. These are the ones that go to my Kickstarter backers inside the poly sleeve. There are the tarot cards, the songbook with the lyrics, download card, and the best part, ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Can't wait to play it. Thank you for all my Kickstarter backers, and this will be available on my Bandcamp page if you'd like to purchase it. Thank you.